All right, check it out. 2023 Tacoma TRD Pro. One of the last with the V6. And this truck is manual. So you can see on the front end here, some paint protection film on the fenders as well. Nice looking upper control arms. Yeah, running boards, blacked out emblems, roof racks up top. Side TRD Pro, looks good. Bed extender, I had one actually in my truck as well. Most of the time I'd keep it down, just stop my groceries and things from rolling around. So that makes it a little easier to hop into the back of the truck. Second set of mats, some more accessories here. Windows were tinted, that's that sticker right there. And that's where the magic is. Still a manual. See the moonroof up top. All right, if you're interested, please email me, Johnathan at mapletoyota.com.